Welcome to today's session. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to remove event listeners from DOM elements in JavaScript. Event listeners are useful, but sometimes we need to remove them to optimize performance or modify behavior dynamically. Let's dive in. When adding event listeners, they remain active until explicitly removed. In this example, we attach a click listener to a document body and later remove it using removeEventListener. This function of removes an event listener from an element. The key takeaway is that the function reference passed to remove event listener must match the one used in add event listener. The process involves three steps: adding an event listener, defining the function, and later removing the listener when it is no longer needed. This function of removes an event listener from an element. The key takeaway is that the function reference passed to the remove event listener must match the one used in add event listener. Removing event listeners is essential in scenarios like optimizing performance, managing events dynamically, and debugging unwanted interactions in JavaScript applications. In summary, removing event listeners is a crucial practice for optimizing JavaScript applications. It prevents memory leaks, ensures smooth event handling, and improves overall performance. Thank you for following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you